In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a headlight assembly on a Jeep Cherokee. It's located behind the front bumper. As you move underneath the vehicle, you're going to have to take this splash shield off. It's held on by 9 10mm bolts. After opening your hood of your vehicle, you're going to have to remove this big panel here. There are 12 of these two-piece clips. You can lift up, pull that up, and then your second piece, and that's your two-piece clip. Once you've removed all those clips, you can lift your panel straight up, put it off to the side. You have two 10mm bolts here and here for the front bumper. Now behind these two that we just took out, right to the right of those, are two more 10mm bolts. Right here and right here. And then right below that one, there's another 10mm here. And then repeat those steps on your other side. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely. You want to take out these 5 19mm bolts. They are not lug nuts. I'll put this back in by hand a little bit so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take that fifth one out. And there you have it. And now we're in our inner wheel well. We have 3 8mm bolts. Need to remove those. Now you need to remove this flare. Just take your tool, pry outwards, take your wheel liner, pull it out to get access to the back side of this piece here. You want to pull that off your fender. It's your plastic tool, pry outwards towards you. You want to unplug this plug, which plugs in all your fog lights and headlights. So you want to unplug that first before you remove the bumper. Take your plug, push it down, pull it towards you. Now you have one 10mm up here. Do all these steps on your other side. The only thing on the other side, you're not going to have this connector. There's no connector on the other side. Take your hands, pull out your bumper towards you, unclip it underneath the light here. Just pull it straight out. Pop this side out. You can grab the bumper from the middle, just come straight out, and put your bumper off to the side. Your headlight is mounted by 4 10mm bolts. You have 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Remove all 4. Slide your headlight down. You have your connector here. You want to push down on that button. Pull the headlight towards you. Before you install your headlight, now's a good time to check your connector. Make sure that the pins are all in good shape. They're not green and corroded or pulling out of the holder, which this one looks good. You take your new headlamp, take your connector, push your connector in, wait for that click, swing it around and install your bolts. Tighten those down. Your other headlight is the same as this side, so just repeat the process. Take your front bumper, slide it up top. You have 2 pin holes and 2 pins. You want to line those up. Once you get your bumper up into place, you can start a top bolt here. That'll help hold the bumper up for you so you don't have to hold it and try to put it on at the same time. Now you can go around and install your clips here. Make sure it's in your groove. Remove your side piece here. Push it on. Let it click in. And you can do that on both sides. Install your lower 8mm here. That bolt down there, that's the one that's just to the right of the headlight. Got one in here. It's just beside the headlight too. And then tighten them down. Do the same for the other side. Now you can install your plastic piece that goes over your top of your radiator. Now install your push clips. These are 2-piece. Put your bottom section in first, then your top, and continue with the rest. Make sure that's nice and secure. Now you can plug in your connector in your left fender well. Make sure that's nice and seated. Put your 8mm bolt in for your fender. Tighten that up. Tuck that up. Make sure it's tucked behind your wheel arch molding. Make sure that's clipped in. Put your 3 8mm bolts in. Snug those up. And do the same thing on the other side. And for your reinstall, line up your holes. Put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. And give them a snug. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. And do the same thing on the other side. Now install your cover. This is the Phillips screw that you need to turn to adjust your headlights.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.